Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Edwards Lifesciences' third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways, so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Edwards reported solid financial results for Q3 2024. Total sales from continuing operations reached $1.4 billion, representing a 10% increase year-over-year on a constant currency basis. This performance slightly exceeded the company's expectations. Their adjusted earnings per share came in at 67 cents, also beating their previous guidance. Looking at specific business segments, TAVR transcatheter aortic valve replacement sales hit $1 billion, growing 6% when adjusted for currency and billing days. The company maintained its strong competitive position globally, though they did face some regional pricing pressures. Edwards' market share in the U.S. remained stable, while their European position actually improved sequentially, supported by the continued rollout of their SAPIEN 3 Ultra RESILIA platform. The TMTT, transcatheter mitral and tricuspid therapies division showed impressive growth, with sales reaching $91 million, a substantial 74% increase over the prior year. This growth was primarily driven by strong PASCAL adoption globally and the initial commercial expansion of EVOQUE in both the U.S. and Europe. In the surgical structural heart segment, sales reached $240 million, growing 5% compared to last year. This growth was fueled by strong global adoption of Edwards' premium surgical technologies, including Inspiris, Matrice, and Connect. One significant development during the quarter was the completion of the critical care division sale in September. This move aligns with Edwards' strategy to focus more intensively on structural heart technologies. The company also made several strategic acquisitions, including Endotronix, marking their entry into implantable heart failure management. Looking ahead, Edwards maintained its full-year guidance for sales growth at 8% to 10%. However, they expect Q4 TAVR growth to be below their full-year range of 5% to 7% due to several factors, including hurricane impacts in the Southeast U.S. and a one-time China distributor rebate adjustment. The company faces some capacity constraints in hospitals, particularly affecting TAVR procedures. Management noted that while this is creating some near-term pressure, they're encouraged by hospitals' increasing willingness to invest in additional infrastructure to support future growth in structural heart procedures. On the innovation front, Edwards continues to advance its clinical research pipeline. They completed enrollment earlier than expected for the Class II TR trial studying tricuspid regurgitation patients with PASCAL. They also received CE mark approval for their Altera system for congenital heart patients in Europe. A key upcoming catalyst will be the presentation of pivotal clinical data at the TCT conference, including results from the early TAVR trial, the first and largest randomized controlled trial studying asymptomatic severe AS patients. The company enters Q4 with solid momentum across its core businesses and a strengthened focus on structural heart technologies following recent strategic moves. Management remains confident in their ability to drive sustainable growth through continued innovation and market expansion. That wraps up our recap of Edwards Lifesciences' third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.